We got this new 5.1 surround sound soundbar from Vizio. It's got the satellite speakers and subwoofer with it. The sound is great, but the setup stinks. We're gonna get this thing on the wall, the satellites on speaker stands, and it's gonna look way better. Trust me. Four. Alright, so we got the soundbar set up, upgraded here with the ECHOGEAR wall mount. It's got it set up nicely below the TV, and the cords are hidden away using the ECHOGEAR in-wall soundbar cable management kit. As you can see, everything's hidden behind the soundbar and behind the drywall there. And the rear speakers are on stands now, set up for the perfect audio positioning. The adjustable height satellite speaker stands by ECHOGEAR are great to get them set up just above the couch. And now I can plop down on the couch without them falling off of the cushions on the back. You can find all this gear and more on the ECHOGEAR Amazon shop. And that's how you upgrade your gear ECHOGEAR style. See you at happy hour.